here we are. So we got the AMP Research Powersteps. This is going to be for the 17 Rum Rebel. Yeah, there's the product number and everything. It's a plug and play, so it should have a new computer thing. So I'm about to unbox it and see what else is in there, because I want to have the option of buying just a switch for the overdrive, but the website was kind of weird about explaining whether or not it did came with it on this one, but we're gonna find out. So give me just a second so I can open this and take all the contents out. All right, so here it's all open up. Sorry if you're gonna hear a big old bark. That husky won't shut up. So let's see. So there's 3 boxes, obviously. That's number 3. That one says hardware kit and wire harness, which is probably what I'm going to do myself. So I want the harness to be a certain way in my engine bay. That one says passenger, motor, idler, so that's for the underneath. I'm gonna say that's driver. Yep, that's driver. I just want to be able to see what comes with it and show you guys. So let's see, manual, information, product warranty, and yeah, we do that in a moment. Let's see. God almighty, sorry guys. Let's see, wire harness. Okay. Seems to be yeah, because the other one's got some little modules in there. There's the new switch, the new style, like JB said. This plugs in to that side. The small one plugs into right there. This is a plug and play option, and looks like with the $30 option, all I gotta do is just add the 3 wires, flip that switch. You can deploy your steps without having to open your doors or closing your doors, etc., etc. So that way you can wash them without having to mess up your interior when you're trying to open your doors. So try to order the full kit with the plug and play harness, so that way all you got to do is the $30 option. So this is how they come out of the box. Looks like you're gonna have to splice into the harness right here for the OBD2. That's not hard. 2 butt connectors. There's the ground. These 2 are for the motors, driver and passenger. One is gonna be longer than the other one. And then there's the inline fuse. These right here are for the lights. I see 3. Must be missing one somewhere around here. There's the other one right there. 4, which is 2 per side. Also, it looks like butt connectors are gonna be needed. So, which they come, so it's just power and ground. They meet this eventually along the way. And then your steps, and then like I said already, all the other 3 boxes stuff. So like I said already, it has a little installation, blah 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 blah. This is the where the motor and linkage goes with all the little stuff, zip ties. Then we have small motor. That's what that looks like. Little motor, plug in right there. Part number right there. Box number 2. Believe this is passenger side. Ooh, wow. This is where the other module mounts to this right here. This is where the screws goes. This is the arm mechanism. Pretty heavy. So this pretty much goes to the step. This right here goes to the body. So if you're looking at it from underneath, it'll look like this. Body of the truck, the step will go like this. So this opens up and this comes down. So if it fits the driver passenger side, it'll be like this. Yeah, like that, and then the board goes right here. That's for 101. The other one looks identical. Being that this is not the extra large version, only one motor looks like per side. Because the other arm didn't have that. Yeah, so one motor per side. Alright, so there's that. Box number 1 says driver. Should be the same thing, it's just the opposite. So, same thing as the passenger. So, that's the unboxing of your, I guess, standard side version. This is not the oversized extra large version that has a rocker panel cover on the outside. So it'll be more sleek. It'll look like you have no steps. So this is how it fits. I had to angle it at the side because it came out about right here, halfway to the tailgate with the bed, the box. So I'm just done with it. So see you guys later.